Good morning, teacher. We are from Lab 2B Group 3. My name is Suti Ki and I'm the leader of this group assignment. So today I'm going to present about the introduction and the objective of this assignment. Ivy Chua and Lo Cheng Sen will present about the source code. Leong Jin Sun will present about the print screen, and lastly, Kyrie will run the code. So for the introduction of this assignment is, we have decided to design an online school clothing system for SMK Suritinggi that will assist in making it more accessible for parents or students to order school clothes from school. The user will find it easier to place orders and will not have to struggle to collect their clothes with this system. Next, we also provide a variety of payment options so that the user can pay online. To ensure that there are no issues when the user places an order, the system will generate a confirmation for the user to check. This system will assist the students to order their clothes. Next is the objective of this assignment. There are four main objectives that needed to be achieved in this assignment. The first objective is to create a system that can help the students to order conveniently. It can give the students or parents freedom to shop whenever and wherever they choose by enabling them to submit their orders at any time. Secondly, it can save time for both students and sellers when having the students to collect their clothes at the shop counter. The third objective is to reduce the order taking and processing errors to improve the quality of service for the students. The last main objective of this assignment is to make the ordering process easy and quick for parents and students by implementing safe online payment options. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ivy. I'm here to explain the Wonderfy clothing system source code. At first, we have used do while loop to let the user key in and confirm their information. The user just need to key in their name and class to proceed with the order. Besides, we have used switch dual loop to let the user choose the clothes they wish to have, such as sport wear, sports, pants, co-curricular shirt, and socks. Inside the loop, we can clearly see it will come up an error message when the user have made an invalid choice. Print size at here is used to call the function of size. In order to let the user to choose the size such as S, M, L, and XL, we have combined function, array, and while loop inside this part. While loop at here is used to differentiate the answer from user and automatically prompt the user enter again the size when they key in only. Then we continue with if, else loop to directly display the price for the clothes. This is because the price for each clothes is different from other. To make sure if the user still want to buy more, we use while loop in this part. So when the user key in Y, the system will go back to the selection of clothes and order one more.
Hello, my name is Lo Cheng Sen. So today I'm going to explain this code for payment 1. So within a do while loop, the program repeatedly prompts the user for payment information until the user indicates they don't want to order again. It displays a menu of payment options such as online banking, touch and go, e-wallet, cash, and store the user choice in the digital variable. So depend on the chosen payment, the program collects relevant information for online banking and touch and go e-wallet. It gathers bank detail, username, password, phone number, name, and pins. For the cash payment, it displays the username and class and informs them to pay at the counter during collection. After gathering payment information, the program confirms it and asks the user if the information is correct. If confirmed, a thank you message will display it, marking the successful completion of the order. If the user indicates that the information is incorrect, number equal to 2, the loop continues, allow for collection. If the user enters an invalid input, they are promoted again. The last function is called at the end of the loop, asking if the user wants to place another order. If the user chooses to order again, repeat equal to 1. It restarts the main function for a new order. Otherwise, it exits the program with a farewell message. The print size function is declared but not used in the provide code, suggesting that it may be intended for future development or was included in the code accidentally.
Hi ma'am, I'm Leong. So basically, the system will start with the user providing their names and class on the user information page so that we can proceed with the order. But before that, the system will do a double check of the information, allowing for correction if needed. If it is correct, then the system will proceed and greet the user once the user presses enter. Then now, the user has to choose the clothes that they want to buy, followed by selecting sizes and viewing prices. After that, the system will ask the user if they want to buy more or not. If yes, then it will return back to the clothing selection part. If no, it will proceed to payment. The payment option includes online banking, touch and go e-wallet, and cash. If the user chooses online banking, it will require their bank details, username, and password. Then the system will need the user to confirm their payment information. If it is not correct, then it will return to the payment page for the user to key in their information again. So here is when the user choose Touch and Go e-wallet. It will need their phone number, name, and PIN number with the reconfirmation step just like the previous one. For cash payment, the user no need to key in anything. The system will use the information that they've given in the first page. Once it's completed, the system will ask whether the user wants to place another order or not. If yes, it will return to the first page. If no, system ends. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Khairi, and in this presentation, for my part, I will be the one that run the codes. So let's run the codes. So after you run the code, this thing will appear first. The first thing you will see is our system that we name as Wonderful Clothing Systems. Then the first thing it will ask you to key in your information to continue with the order. First, you have to key in your name. And for this example, I will just key in my name. I'll just simply put my name and my class. then press enter. After you press enter, then this confirmation of information will appear that that you have to confirm your information, is it correct or not. So is it correct, then you have to key in Y, or is it not, you have to key in N, right? For example, I'll just keep Y, that is yes. Then you have to press enter again to proceed with the order. Then after you press enter, this will appear that you have to choose. There are four types of clothes that we are selling. First, we have sportswear, sports pants, curricular shirts, and socks. So if you want to buy one of the you have to choose one of the clothes. So if you is exact for example, if you want to choose sportwear, you have to key in number one. Sport pant, you have to key in number two. Number three for curricular shirts, and number four for socks. For example, I just put number three. I want because I want to buy curricular shirts. Then I have to key in number three, then press enter. After you present it, then you will say that you have selected to buy a curricular sheets. Then you have to press enter to continue. After you press enter, then it will appear size charts where you have to choose your size. Either you want to buy size S, M, L, or XL. So with Then, for example, I will just put M for this size, then press enter. After you press enter, it will shows you the price of the curricular sheets that I have choose, that is 20 ringgit. Then it will ask you either you still to buy more or not. But for this example, I will say no. I just want to buy the curricular sheets only. Then I will just key in N, then enter. After you key in N, then it will shows you the total amounts of things that I choose that I want to buy. That is total amount will be 20 ringgit. Then it will give you three type of payment that you can choose. Either you want to you want to pay via online banking, touch and go e-wallets, or cash. But in this example, I will just choose online bank, and I have to key in number one for online banking. Then after you key in one, you press enter, then you have to fill up informations. First, it will ask you about the bank, then I just put CIMB bank. Then it will ask you for the username. I will just put my name. And then for the password, just simply put the password. And after you put the password and you press enter, then you have to enter one for yes, enter two for no. So information is correct, then I will just enter. This means yes. Then after you press enter, then it will appears that thank you for ordering from us. Then it will ask you to order again. If you want to order again, then you have to enter one, then just two for no. Then after you key in number two, then you press enter, then the codes will return zero. So I think that's all from me. That's for my part. Thank you.